What's up, fit people? Coach Remy here. Today's workout is going to be a bit of a recovery and stretching workout. So this workout will help the body restore its flexibility. If you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and if you enjoyed this workout, share with family and friends. All right, thank you, and let's get into our workout. So make sure the feet are wider than shoulder width apart. And now make sure your hands are parallel with the ground. We start from there. And we reach to the opposite toes. Make sure the legs are straight. Stay in the wide stance. Now we are going to hip mobility. So if you want, you can shorten the stance. Stance is shoulder width apart. Let's go in the other direction. All right. So, next one is a stability exercise. So, we do single leg deadlift. We touch the toes, this leg is straight, then we come up, then we pull for 30 seconds. So the leg behind it, I'm putting it in a straight position. So find the balance. One leg will be better than the other. It's normal. Okay. Now we go on the other leg. We do the same. Okay, let's go in 5 seconds. Let's go. It can happen that you lose balance. It's normal. Okay, beautiful. So now we step on the end of the mat. We bend forward, then we walk out a little bit, and we stay in downward facing dog. But now we bring the leg in, we kick it out. When you're kicking out, you squeeze the glutes, and you're pushing also into the ground with your hands. Beautiful. Put the leg down. Now do the walking while you wait for 15 seconds. Okay, now we do the same for this leg. Beautiful. So now you go on the knees. So we will lift the opposite hand with the opposite leg until we are straight, and we are trying to lengthen ourselves. Hold the position. contract your core for the stabilization. Okay, shake the shoulders loose. We're going on the other side. Workouts like this really help the body. It awakens also the body. Okay, let's go. Shoulders over wrist and hip over knee, guys. Okay, so now we come up, we do a stance that is wider than shoulder width apart, and now we will go down, and each time we touch the knee down. Notice how the foot is rotating. Stay low as you can. Lost balance there. Okay, beautiful. So now we are going to knees under hip and shoulders over wrist. We're going to do the cat-cow stretch. The cow will look up and the back has this arch. Then we're going to the cat. We're trying to look at the navel. And I'm pushing very hard into the ground with my hands. Cow, cat, cow, cat, cow, cat. Okay, beautiful. Let's stand up. Wide stance. Okay. So this leg will turn outward, and then I make sure that the knee is over the ankle. Okay, now straighten the hands, then I reach for the ground. I stay there. So from this hand to up there, I form one line. Hold it. Okay, turn this one in. Now this one will look outward, and then I flex this knee. I make sure it doesn't go beyond my ankle. Hold the position. Okay, come up, bring the legs together. So now we're going to stretch the hamstrings. So I cross the legs. Now the back should stay straight. Okay, you don't have to touch the ground. The back of the leg is straight and my back is also straight. And just let your hands hang loose. Between the break we'll be doing some shoulder rolls. Okay, come up slowly. Let's go, shoulder rolls. Thank you guys. Thank you for spending your time with me. And so let's get fit and stay fit. This was day 24. It's more a recovery workout than something to challenge you, but it's also needed for the body. All right. So if you enjoyed the workout, share with family and friends. And yeah, see you on day number 25.